Life of Matt, Adventures of MongoDB. Well, at least that's what today was. We talked about MongoDB today in class, which is a NoSQL database. That is obviously different than a SQL database. Rails ships with SQLite. We've since switched over to Postgres, which I've been playing with pretty decently. But recently I came into an issue with one of my apps that is an art project that I'm working on now, tentatively titled Wishboard. Basically, what Wishboard is an application where you can share positive thoughts anonymously, like things you want to do before you die, bucket list items, things that you miss, or things that you wish, or things you want to do. Problem is I was having issues laying it out, right? Because with a Rails app, it's really easy to make a great backend that handles database relationships well and everything, but problem is it looks like it came out of 1992, aka it looks like shit. And if we want to have that cool functionality that most new apps have, we use JavaScript and all that fun stuff. Problem is, the way I architect my Wishboard initially didn't really play well with the structure I had set up. So I needed to restructure the app. And when I was talking to some of the TAs today, somebody mentioned this is a perfect use case for NoSQL. And they mentioned Mongo. So I was like, hey, let's go play with Mongo. Because I have a use case. And frankly, right now, errors are cheap. I can make mistakes and it's free. What's the worst that happens? I lose some time and I learn a little bit about MongoDB. So I spent a couple hours trying to figure out how to set up MongoDB. It's not as easy as I wanted it to be, but now I think I figured out the process, so that's good. Tomorrow is going to be trying to implement that MongoDB database with my Wishboard. Right now I tentatively have it working with one model, but I have a lot more work to do. So we'll see how my MongoDB adventures go tomorrow. But hopefully I'm on the right path, and hopefully this is a better architecture than I had before. Fingers crossed. So that's it for Monday. I'll update tomorrow. Later.